Damn, what's up? Can I add you?
Damn, you scared the fuck out of me.
Don't be scared. That comes later. Come here, bitch. I'm kidding. What's your name? What's your name?
I'm Alia.
You're what?
Alia.
Holy shit, that's nice. Can I add you?
No.
My name's Drake. Draco.
Drake.
Kiss. Mm. Let me add you. What the fuck you playing for, nigga? Let me add you. Why? You don't want a boyfriend this year? You want to be miserable like 2023? What are you, Jill? Let me add you.
Mm-hmm.
Is you a nigga? Mm, come here. Oh. I don't care that you're a nigga. I don't care. Let me add you, you
Oh,
fucking cunt. I'm trying to find out what you are. I'm trying to find the gender.
you can't find the gender yet.
Oh, I was joking.
Still, man.
Really?
Mm.
Hmm. So how does it sag like that?
Sad? You're too big.
You bought them?
No,
But
I was gifted.
who gifted it to you?
God.
That means you're a woman.
Mm.
You're not a dude.
Woman.
Uh, why is my why am I second guessing myself?
Really? Are you?
Uh, wait, stand up.
I'm laying down. You want me to stand up?
Well, you sound like a chick. I just ask everyone on this app. You know what I mean?
What? What did you say?
Uh, I
It's
wanna.
my first day here.
Yeah,
Like,
usually there's a lot of tricksters on this app. So
oh,
can I throat smash you?
I
Kidding.
guess if you're
Really?
big.
Well, see now it gets complicated.
So you're not big?
Well, what are you used to?
Big cocks.
How big?
9.
Oh, nigga, fuck you. You're a fucking hole. You're literally a fucking black hole. You're like a whistling black hole with a tumbleweed in there.
I haven't had that many. 3.
Three? Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
it only takes one niner, and you'll never go back. Now I'm Chinese. Now I'm like this, like ni hao, give me some pussy.
You're so fucking racist. It's insane.
I don't give a fuck. So can I fucking hit it from the back or what?
Mm-hmm. Pull up.
Really? Where are you
Mm-hmm.
at? What state?
Tbilisi, Georgia.
That's not. It's just like a 2 hour flight for me.
In Canada?
Yeah, 2 hour flight, but I'm a millionaire, so I can just get a nice penthouse and
It's
slut
not a
you
2-hour
up.
flight.
Oh, so what? Some Canadian nigga flew down there and hit it?
No.
How do you know?
I'm in the country, Georgia, not the States. Dumbo.
I do like you ever done that?
No,
Yeah, I mean we're not compatible.
we're not. Oops.
How am I gonna come down there if I can't add you? What the fuck?
Be nice to me for 1 minute at least. Let me see.
Okay, I love your piercing and your voice.
Thank you.
I want to nicely. I'm kidding. That's nice. I'm
That's
making you laugh. That's nice. That counts as
How
nice.
tall are you?
6'5". What's up, nigga?
6'5".
Yeah. Do girls like
Damn.
that? You know how many bitches I got? 0. How tall are you?
Why? I'm 5'7".
Oh, I'll take you for a spin. You're small.
I'm not that small. I play volleyball and soccer.
Wow. So you're very into sports.
I'm a med student.
Whoa, you're a good person. What the fuck?
Exactly, and you're being mean as fuck.
My nature is not good, so I don't know how to behave. Like I don't know. This is getting like I'm getting irritated if I can't just grab, squeeze, and like because like I'm a Chad. Like I'm so used to getting it quickly. Like Chad life, nigga. Do you hate Chinese people?
Oh.
Is the minute over? Can I talk again?
I like your tattoo.
Thank you. Yeah, like that.
Oh wow.
This is
Did it
all
hurt?
you're gonna see. No, it probably hurt more when you fell from heaven. You like that, bitch? I can say
No.
bitch. It's been a minute, right? Look at that. This is who's gonna bang you. Hop on. Wait, how young is you? Am I breaking the law?
Yeah, I'm like 10.
Pardon my French. My French kissing. So, what do you like about me?
Nothing.
Shut up! You fucking being mean. You have to be nice for a minute. What do you like? Let me add you. My internet's gonna crash. I always lose the ones I want. In that fucking shirt, you kind of look like you came out of prison. Like, like those uniforms.
That's crazy. My dad's a cop.
Yeah, we're not compatible at all.
Mm-hmm.
He's probably a 4
Why,
life path.
did you go to jail or something?
Nah, jail went to me. Let me add you, bitch. What the fuck are you being so rude for? Are you rude girl? Let me add you.
Say please, Alia.
Please, Anya.
Alia, who the fuck is...
Oh shit, I'm thinking of the other one. I'm kidding. Alia. I've never heard of that
I'm
name.
gonna skip
It's
you
a
right
joke. Now. It's a joke. You want a funny boyfriend, don't you? Alia. Oh. What are you? Are you Persian or what kind of name is that?
Arab.
And you got a little you have a little Albanian in you.
How do you know that?
Because I'm Albanian.
No wonder why. Oh my lord.
Surprise. Don't tell your dad, right? He don't want to
These
work
Arab
overtime.
dudes.
Imagine.
I know, they're all fucked up. Arab dudes are fucked.
Yeah, they're all not the good kind of rape.
What's up with you and...
Damn, bro. You're like, I'm just kidding. I've never actually taken it by force.
Have you? Are you like the one who asks for permissions and shit?
Kind of, yeah.
Do?
No, I'll put my hand on your lap and you say warmer or colder, depending where I go. Like Speed and Aiden. I'm kidding. I'll just grab that shit, right? Fuck your dad, right? I don't care about cops. I'm kidding. I want to be law enforcement one day.
Oh yeah, sure.
I'm a firefighter.
Say wallah.
I can't say that. I'm a Christian.
Oh.
Yeah.
Not bad.
That's why firefighters hate cops. We don't do well together.
You're a firefighter?
Yes.
Wait, remove those glasses. Let me see your eyes. No, put them back on. Why did I ask you?
All right, remove the clothes.
Remove the clothes.
Yeah.
I want a Red Bull.
Wait, you're 21?
Mm-hmm.
You don't have to remove clothes, but can I see a titty? Or is that too much? I'm drunk.
You're drunk? You blame on liquor, huh?
Yeah. So I had so much today.
Exactly.
Can I see?
What?
I'm live with my audience, so we want to see.
I'm not gonna show anyone except you.
What? So if I hide the screen,
Mm-hmm.
okay. Okay. Yeah. Let me just make sure. Yeah, you're good.
You liar.
Oh, do you want proof? Should I film the screen or you can go to kick.com, just put my name in. It would be against the law if I lied right now, wouldn't it?
Mm-hmm. So you phone people without their permission?
I mean, everyone on this app is doing it, but right now, all they can see is this. Look. I'm going to film the screen. Hold on. See? Video. Film. See, I'm filming. And then this is the screen they're seeing on OBS, and you're behind that, so they can't see you. Hold on. Look. And then this is the screen they're seeing on OBS, and you're behind that, so they can't see you.
Oh.
Told you.
So they can't see me, or they can't see me?
They cannot right now. No, they cannot. Only I can see you. We're safe.
What?
You have to smile? You're not going to let me smile? Oh, let me add you.
What, you're gonna come to Georgia or Dubai?
Yeah, I'll come. That's like double D.
Mm-hmm.
Can I see one more time before I open it?
You're all quiet now. Look how peaceful.
Sorry. Just. Oh.
Good.
No, I meant like the whole thing. You go look at the whole thing. So that's half. I mean, I liked it, but take the whole thing off. Let me just go up higher. Yeah, you ruined my mood. You ruined my mood, dude. Oh, Lord.
You ruined my mood. I thought that we were alone.
Oh, okay. Okay, one more time, and then I'll put them back on screen. Let me just stare. Stop judging me. What the fuck?
Good.
Yeah. No, and I'm so hard. I can't stream anymore. Okay, I'm gonna put them back on screen, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, chat, I'm always honest with you guys, and I'm gonna be honest. What you missed is 1000% I feel guilty. Like, what you missed, I'm not exaggerating for content. It's so fucking. I've been with a lot of girls, but that was I'm not even a titty guy, but now I am. That's all women should have. They're really mad at me. They're saying that I'm selfish and shit. Guys, I'm teaching them. My dating program releases tomorrow on how to get girls to fucking fuck with you and shit, and they don't believe me. But damn, man, make her laugh and shit. That's all you gotta do. And I don't get it though. I have to fly to you, but I can't add you. How the fuck are you gonna know when I'm in town? Okay, they're really mad at me. Can you show them a bit?
No.
Why? Don't you have an OF?
It's just for you, the fuck.
Okay, because they're really angry. All right, look. Obviously, it's just for me. I like it way better like this. But if you have shown anything on the internet before, have you?
Mm-mm.
Oh, you don't have an OF?
No. You think I'd make bags?
Yeah. Yeah, at first I was joking. Now I can't even make jokes anymore. I'm so rock hard. Like, what? You ruined my stream, bro. Would you let me beat it off to you in a call?
Let's go, pal. I'm making a withdrawal here.
Jesus donated $5. You fall for a succubus trap. Weak Christian.
Should I end stream chat? I forgot that I'm the. No. You stop talking. All right, what were you saying? I need a cigarette, bro. I need a.
Damn, these many people want to add me?
How'd they find your Instagram?
I have no idea.
Oh, thank God. Now I know who you are. Now I can fucking fly to you. Okay. I'm going to go to the head police sheriff and be like, your daughter said she'd meet me. Where the fuck is she? Hey, imagine when I'm getting the head. Like, it's just for me. Oh! I'm such a nigga, bro. I swear to God, I'm dead. I'm Timothy. You know how to talk, too. Can you talk to me like this when you're my slave?
Like what?
Like, we're going to be doing this in person.
No, wait, what the fuck? Why is everyone sending me, like, Snapchat requests?
You're a 4 life path? Oh, your dad's a cop and she's a 4? Hey, is that your Instagram? That's it?
No, that's my Snapchat.
Hey, here. Add me. I'm JONZH. John Zaha.
John Cena?
You know what's crazy is I'm not joking. I think I'm going to beat it off to the stuff you send me.
Let's go, pal. I'm making a withdrawal here.
Damn,
Theolord donated $5. Whosoever, then, looketh on a woman to lust after her, that is, so looks on her as to lust, and cast about to obtain, he is rightly said to commit adultery with her in his heart.
Damn, this Dono guy is... Do I follow you around when you sin, nigga? I'm falling short. Stupid donation. This guy's just totally high-roading me right now. Like, he's a perfect soul, I guess. Wait, you don't even show up on... Did I do that wrong? What the fuck did I do wrong? Is this you with the pink?
Show me. Yep.
Okay, I'm this guy. Look how cute I am. That's my avatar. That's the guy getting the head.
We'll see about that.
Oh my God, but in person we'll see about that, because what if I just take it? Just grab me by the hair and... Don't tell your cop, Dad. Kidding. I'm a sweetheart in person. Ask any girl I domestically abuse.
Let's go, pal. I'm making a withdrawal here.
Vibration Therapy donated $5. Grizzly Bear Zherka can't resist.
Really?
Yeah, old man. 30 soon, don't worry. I got an early birthday. It gets worse.
So where are you from, like, originally?
Half Albanian, half nigga, and true Canadian now. Wait, can I hide them again? Can I see more? I'm getting weird.
Calm down.
Chat, look what I'm doing, chat. Look at my right arm. I'm just kidding. Kind of. So you come here often?
It's my first day, actually.
And your last. You're not allowed on this app anymore. You mine now.
Oh, really?
Siri, lock the doors. Alexa, shackle the bitch.
That's crazy.
Cortana, taser.
Whoa. Wait, what's your username again?
It's J.
Baby Aga donated $5. Sneeko just messaged me to tell you to switch off the screen again.
Sneeko? What do you mean by that?
What are you doing?
Nothing, you know. No. I'm gonna turn the screen off. I want to see that again. Let me see again, because I've had a bad day. Okay, you can see my hands. I'm not fucking doing anything.
It's fine.
You trust me? Hell yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, let me just double check. Okay, we're good.
What happened to the man who was like fucking yelling and screaming?
He went away for a long time.
But yeah. You've seen them? Cool.
Okay, I'm gonna put the screen back on.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, sorry, Chad. This is like... what? Don't even buy my dating program, bro. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just lucky. Now, I'm charming, right?
0.1%.
Can you talk to my... what? 1%? What do you mean?
I said 0.1%.
Talk to my chat for a sec. I'll just be right back, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Chat, ask her anything. It's on kick.com. And it's just Zherka. So just search up this. Shit. Okay. Oh, no. No. Sorry. It's capital Q, a Z. Okay, chat. Talk to your queen. Okay.
Where are you going?
Just to the bathroom.